Assalamu alaikum. Today we will see 9th standard mathematics. So I'm gonna first say that topics to be covered is set, representation of set, sum of exercise problems. Okay, let us begin. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Okay, so what does that mean actually? So collection of distinct objects, right? So for example, here we have collection of students in 9th grade. Okay, so those peoples who are in 9th grade, their collections throughout the school. Next, number of Indian cricket player team. Okay, so I mean well defined by here. Well defined, I mean that student. Okay, in the collection will be the 9th grade student is a collection. Okay, so distinct object in the sense different peoples. Okay, so number of Indian cricket players, here I mean well defined here cricket players, and the collection will be taken from Indian team. Okay, so also we need to note that we write or use capital letters or symbol to denote the set. Okay, always we are denoting the set by capital letters and small letters for elements or objects. Okay, I'll give you the example. So inshallah we will see that what is object and elements here. So objects, let us go for representation of the set. So in this representation of set, we will learn about descriptive form, set builder form, and roster form. So what is descriptive form here? Describing a set in words or sentences. For example, I have written all the three examples in the form of vowels in English alphabets. Okay, so how we will describe the words in sentences? It is nothing but a set of all vowels in English alphabets. Always use the name of set, okay, before starting. So here set builder form will be in this form. So S equals to set of all, you have to pronounce like this, set of all types of object. Here types of object will be in this type. Okay, such that you can say such that, this is such that there is some rule for collection. Okay, there's some collection or rule for objects. Okay, how we should keep and we should there. Okay, for example, here we have X is a type here, type of an object. X is an object. We don't know what is that X. Such that how X should be the rule. It should rule like X is a set of vowels in English alphabets. Okay, so X such that X is a set of vowels in English alphabets. Right. So the last one is listing the object in the element. We know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. We need just to list it. Okay, in this form A, E, I, O, and U. And the last one, you should try to remember elements or object cannot be repeating in the set. Okay, so that was, for example, if I take India, and that it can be written as in the set form A equal to INDA only. Okay, not repeating letter I is repeated twice here, so twice in this word, so we are not going to repeat again in the set. So that's why I have written here the note, elements or object cannot be repeated in the set. If it is repeated, you just need to write only once. Okay, so A equal to INDA, that's it. Yeah, now we will see the exercise problems. So let us see the exercise 1.1 problems. Your first question is, which of the followings are sets? Okay, and thus I'm just picking the questions randomly so that you can do the rest. So what is the solution for this one? So which of the following are set? We know the set and their representative. Okay, we can use any kind of manners, either descriptive, roster or set builder form. So let us start this. The collection of prime numbers up to 100. We know what is prime number. Prime number, which is a number divisible by 1 and itself. Either you can say this way, or a number which has exactly 2 factors, not more than 2 factors. Okay, so what are those prime numbers? We already studied the real numbers up to 8th standard, so now no need to recall, I think. Okay, anyhow, prime numbers are starts from 2, 3, 5, 1, 0 and 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on. It is going in this way. Okay, so here the collection through prime numbers, 100 prime numbers is a set. Why? Because we can list each and every element in the prime number clearly, right? So this is a set. So it is well defined also because it is finite. So given collections is a set. Okay, so let us move to the fourth and or last question. The collection of good hockey players. So solution here, collection of good hockey players, but hockey players talent will vary person to person, right? So here it is not well defined because no one can show that he is a good person, he is a good person, right? So that's why it is not a set, because reason is talent vary from person to person. Okay, so there's a reason, that is why it is not a set, because good hockey player is okay, but if we say particularly he is a good hockey player, but we cannot say in general. That is why I have mentioned here talent vary from person to person, and also the collection is not well defined. Okay, we cannot say without judging them. Okay, let us move to the next question. Second question I have already discussed. Elements cannot be repeated in the set. Okay, so you can use that, whichever I have written here, you can use that technique and follow the questions. Okay, and the third question was, consider the following sets. Consider the following set. And here are the questions. A equals 0, 3, 5, 8. B equals 2, 4, 6, 10. C 12, 14, 18, 20. So his question is A, say whether true or false. B, Philip. Okay, so for I'm just writing A solution. First one is 18 is an element which belongs to C or not. C is a set. Okay, and then second, 6 does not belongs to A. 6, 0 belongs to B. Okay, I'm going to explain like, see, these capital letters A, B, C are denoted as set. You have to call this capital A, capital B, capital C has a set. But inside the set, those objects are placed. You have to call these objects to be an elements. Elements or objects or members. Whatever you want, you can call. Okay, those objects placed inside the sets are called elements, objects or members. Members of the set, elements of the set, objects in the set. Okay, so outside, which is equal, A, capital B and capital C are denoted as sets. Okay, inside objects are elements or members of the set. Got it? Okay, here first subdivision. First question, subdivision 1. 18 is belongs to C. We use this symbol. For belongs to. This means belongs to. Like if you are a student, you are belong to our class or our school, right? For example, you can say my brother belongs to my family, my sister belongs to my family. Likewise, we use belongs to in mathematics too, because these two have a relationship between sets and elements. Okay, so first subdivision is whether 18 is belongs to the set C or not. Yeah, 18 is the element which is in C, so clearly we can say 18 is belongs to C, so that I can write the solution here, true, right? What about second one? 6 does not belongs to A was your question. Okay, so A is our set here, 0, 3, 5 and 8. Okay, so here completely 6 does not belongs to A, because 6 is not there. Okay, 6 is an element which doesn't appear in capital A. But if we say instead of A, if we say B, we can clearly say that 6 belongs to B. Okay, so 6 does not belongs to A is also true. What about the last one? 0 belongs to B. Since 0 is not in the set or member or element in the set B, so we cannot say 0 belongs to B. Okay, so this one is false. Okay, let us move to the next questions. See, whichever I have missed the questions, you have to do it on your own, and you have to send your assignments back. Okay, I'll correct it and check you and give back your assignments. Let's see another questions. So listen, this is a very beautiful question here. Represent the following sets in roster form. So roster form is nothing but you have to just list the elements in the set. Okay, list the objects in the set. Okay, what does the question says here? B is equal to collection of all, or you can say set of all those object here is y. Okay, so what has the y form? Y has a form 1 upon 2n. Okay, 1 divided by 2n. Yeah, what is the condition for n is given here? The condition for n is belongs to the family called natural number. Okay, so n is from natural number. Okay, n is a member or elements or object which are taken from natural numbers, and so the condition forwards here, n is less than or equal to 5. I'll explain it here. We know natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, right? But the condition given here is n is less than or equal to 5. We need to cover these two conditions. One is less than, another one is equal. So less than 5 is up to 4. Okay, so this is less than 5. And also one more condition which is included, and that was equal to 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the n. Okay, n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Once again I explain you. B is equal to, as I said, this given form is set builder form. As I said, set builder form has some type, like type of objects. So what are the object here? Object is y. How does the object works? So object is in the form y is equal to 1 divided by 2n. Okay, 2 times n, it is multiple. Okay, so type of object such that rules for collection. So here's the rules for collection. Collection is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, he has given the story like this. Okay, yeah, we will move forward. So just now we have find what is n. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we need just to list in the set. What happens if I put n equal to 1 in y? So for n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, y equal to 1 by 2 into 1. Just replace wherever n there. Okay, so for n equal to 1, 2 times 1, it is going to be 1 by 2. For n equal to 2, y equal to 1 by 2 times 2, which is 1 by 4. And n equal to 3, 2 times 3, and it is going to be 6. It seems likes to be even number, so no need to find other. So just write y is equal to 1 upon 8. For n equal to 5, 1 upon 10. Okay, so now we need to find the roster form. Roster form is nothing but the question is given as a set B, which is equal to what are all the answers in the right, you have to replace there. Okay, you have to list there 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 10. Here you go. Here, this is a solution for the given question. So let us look out for the another one question. Third one. So this is a beautiful question again. Try to understand this question. So capital C, once again this question is given in the form of set builder form. Okay, so this is your object and this is for rules for collection. Okay, so C is equal to X such that X would be in this form. Okay, what is X? X is a perfect cube. We know the cube, right? 1 cube is 1. Cube in the sense X cube. Okay, A cube means A times A. Okay, what about 2 cube? 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. In the same way, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is I think 314 something. Okay, here we need to find X. Okay, so X is a rule here, and also it is in between 27 and 216. X lies between 27 to 216. So 27 to 216 is nearly here. I will again place you this form. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. So we only need 8. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, right? Our X lies between 27 and 216, and the perfect cube in between these two numbers is 64 and 125. So this was your answer, but you have to write in the form of roster. Okay, so C is equal to 64 comma 125. Just list it out and this is your answer. Got it? Yeah, we shall move to the another one last problem, and the rest is up to you. You have to finish it all. Okay, let us come back to the question, fifth question. So there's only 6 questions in exercise 1.1. You have to do the rest of the problem, whichever I didn't cover the exercise problems. You have to do it. Is an assignment for you. Let us go back to this question. Represent the following in the set builder form. Okay, following sets in the set builder form. As I said, set builder form is nothing but it has 2 forms. One is type of object, and another one is rules for collections. Okay, so this was a set named as C. We have to find in this format only, but it is given in this form, but the given form is a roster form. Okay, the previous one we did. Clear? So how shall we find in the set builder form? Set builder form will always look like a formula. Okay, keep in mind that. So let us split these numbers in different ways, like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. See the numbers here, it is repeating, right? And so it will also repeat. 6 over 7 will also repeat. You just placed 1 to the next number, and the next number will carry here again. Okay, so here we have such numbers. Okay, what can you say about 99 upon 100. The next number will be 100 upon 101. Okay. Yeah, let us see. So 99, I just take it as x. This is 99 plus 1, and this is going to be the same way. Don't get confused again. I'll come again in a shorter way. See, I call this one as x. X is equal to 1, and for x equal to 2 we can write 1 plus 1. Okay, so that it become easier, right? Okay, so 1 plus 1 here, again 1 plus 1 here. So 1 plus 1 here, we can write 2 plus 1. For 2 by 3 we write x equal to 2, and here x equal to 2 plus 1. In this manner we can write easily. For 3 by 4, say x is equal to 3, and then here x is equal to 3 plus 1. In this manner we can write all those numbers. Okay, what I mean here is, shall we write like this? 1 upon 1 plus 1, 2 upon 2 plus 1, 3 upon 3 plus 1, 4 upon 4 plus 1, because it is nothing but 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. It is going to be the same manner, right? So that is why I'm trying to express the numbers in this way, so that you can get the clear easily in easy way. Okay, so I use first letter to x plus 1, again this x by x plus 1, x by x plus 1, x by x plus 1. It is going to come the same thing, right? I cannot repeat these so many x by x plus 1 in the set. Okay, so first of all I have written that there is no such element which repeats in the set. Okay, so repeating element will not come again and again in the set. Okay, so no repeating elements in the set, so that is why I use only one time, that was x upon x plus 1. So this will be, so we have to write in set builder form. So C is equal to x such that x by x plus 1 comma x belongs to natural number. Got it? Because x belongs to natural number, then only we can write like this now. 1 by 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus 1. These are all the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are all natural numbers. Starts from 1, right? We already know that. So that is why if you put this here, it will come. X belongs to natural number, right? So these are the things are x. X is equal to natural number. X belongs to natural number in the sense x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you put this in terms of x, you will get like this. If you put x equal to 1, if you put x equal to 1 here, 1 by 1 plus 1, it is nothing but 1 by 2. If you put 2 here, you will get 2 by 2 plus 1, and that is nothing but 2 by 3. If you put 3 here, it is going to be 3. 3 upon 3 plus 1 is 3 by 4. And this is nothing but your question. Got it? So this is your solution. So this was your solution and answer. Okay, fine. Inshallah, we will see tomorrow the next class. The next class will be mostly like types of sets and their beautiful examples. Okay, examples or exercises, we can see that. If you have a doubt, you can leave your comment, and if you have a trouble in voice or something, you can leave your comment, but don't forget to do the exercise problem. Make sure that if you have a doubt, definitely you have to ask or leave the comment. I will try. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.